If you think coding is only for computer science PhDs, stop right there. Today, we're proving that Python makes it unbelievably simple. The barrier to entry is lower than you think. Python lets you move from zero knowledge to functional code in a matter of minutes. Don't try to learn everything at once. Follow this structured path, starting small and building momentum. Unlike some languages with tons of confusing rules, Python prioritizes readability. It literally feels like writing clear English. These three concepts are the pillars of Python. Understanding them unlocks massive levels of functionality. Think about repetitive tasks, renaming thousands of files or scraping data from a website. Python handles that tedious work for you automatically. It's not just one thing. Python is a Swiss Army knife, dominating fields from web scraping to advanced AI. Want a concrete goal? Try building a simple weather app. It forces you to use real-world APIs and structure your code logically. The return on investment is huge. Companies are desperate for people who can write clean, efficient Python code. Python is versatile enough to be a full-stack developer tool, or the backbone of a complex data science pipeline. Learning to code isn't about knowing syntax, it's about developing a systematic way of thinking. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect textbook. The only way to truly master this is by starting today. Pick one small project, a to-do list, a mini-game. Focus on finishing it, no matter how basic, because completion builds confidence. The internet is waiting for your ideas. Grab a free online compiler, type "Hello World," and take that first step into the world of code.